Good morning, students. I hope everyone is fine. So, today I am starting a video lesson about chapter Who is Heavier. Class 3, Unit 7 Who is Heavier, prepared by Mrs. Shilpa from KV Talbehet. This is me. There is some targeted learning outcomes. There is some key points of this chapter. After this chapter, what we learn from that? First, able to know heavy and light things. Second, able to guess the weight by looking at size. साइज़ को देख के हम guess कर सकते हैं कि weight क्या है, कितना हो सकता है. Understand the concept of heavy or light things. उसका concept भी समझेंगे कि heavy है कि light है. Learn to weigh things with balance and weight. हम balance से weight कैसे measure करते हैं ये भी सीखेंगे. Compare different things and find heavy and light. दो different things को compare करना है और पता करना है कि heavy और light क्या है. Can buy things from market as they know the unit of mass. हम लोग मार्केट से वेजिटेबल्स वगैरह ख़रीदते हैं तो किस तरीके से ख़रीदते हैं. What is objective of this chapter? I am reading that. Understanding the concept of heavier and light object, जैसे कि अभी हमने बात करी थी. Second is unit of weight. Third is conversion of weight. Fourth is knowledge about type of balance. And 5 is balancing the weight. How we related with daily life. How do we buy vegetables and fruits. हम vegetables और fruits market से कैसे खरीदते हैं. We buy things in different quantities and according to our need. हम अपने ज़रूरत के अकॉर्डिंग अलग अलग समय पे अलग अलग क्वांटिटी में चीज़ों को ख़रीदते हैं. We should know the concept of weight to buy the things that we need. Next is there is a picture of heavy person and light person, light weighted person. Okay. There is a fat man and another is a slim man. Slim man goes up because he is light weighted and fat man goes down because he is more weighted. There is another example of elephant and rabbit. Rabbit is so small in size and shape and elephant is so big, so he goes down and rabbit goes up. Pumpkin and mango. Pumpkin is more weighted and mango is low weighted, so he goes up and pumpkin goes down. There is another example, pineapple and cherry. So you can see easily pineapple is big and cherry is so small. Guess which is lighter and heavier. Guess which is lighter and heavier. There is one apple and pineapple, so pineapple is heavier. And after that rhinoceros and dog, so rhinoceros is heavier. Small jug and big jug is heavier. And ball and balloon, so balloon is light weighted. Every time balloon goes up and it easy to flew anywhere. Unit of weight. There is a 3 unit of weight: kilogram, gram and milligram. We can also use a small letters for that: kg, gm and mg. Some of the things we buy in kilograms and grams. कुछ चीज़ों को हम kilograms और grams में खरीदते हैं. Kilograms things are sugar, wheat, rice, potato, onion, and gram things are turmeric, red chili powder, black pepper and tea leaves and cloves. There is a picture of some vegetables that we purchase in kilograms, like brinjal, tomato, onion we purchased in kilograms. And there is another picture of spices which we buy in grams. There is a conversion of weight. 1 kg equals to 1000 gram or 1000 grams equals to 1 kg. 1 kg equals to 500 gram plus 500 gram. Convert 3 kg into grams. How we convert 3 kg into grams? As we know, 1 kg equals to 1000 gram. So 3 kg equals to 3000 grams. It means 3 multiply by 1000 grams. Convert 6000 grams into kg. We know 1000 gram equals to 1 kg. 6000 gram can also be written as 6000 grams equals to 6 into 1000 gram equals to 6 kg. There is a picture of balance, beam balance, how we balance things. There is a picture of measuring weights, 1 kg, 500 grams, 250 grams. We usually see in market and vegetable shop and grocery shop. 100 gram, 50 gram, 10 gram, 5 gram, 1 gram. There is another picture of balance. This is called electronic balance. Thank you, students.